into mwanya getinge asimwa beta na bakwanira nande marogo yogono asa malite gonkoro kuzel mabonuke igondo moengereria osomo wakili aiga town ya Busongo ronto bwato bochoria kwa abarai bali bako tenenera abawakili intenene buno yo mwa abarai bali bakuborie kerogo kyobonya obonya kerogo obo chairman lero twikirega ga Kisii locots bantu ndoche bachire ase obonge abawakili batemire wa kachikura. In fact, as chinsa chiaboniga abantu angenus y'abawakili bali registered in Busongo akire chikura. The report tubwate ku Roma Bay na Migori nelinga chinambe cyo nakiro chietani rienus eywe korokinga abantu baito banchiranire nga obachori obonchorari bokorekana bole inkige kogara oro inki ekege kworokinga mwanya bantu mwana enje nyene alamoso nduna abawakili tuerure wakachikura elinda tuchenchi obogangu bwaitu bonyare ko bobu biyamono and nyasaba sen
Maeche. I am the current SG Secretary General of this branch until 25th of this month, and hopefully beyond, because I'm also defending the seat. I can say that members have come out in large numbers, and so far the turnout as at now here in Kisii Locots polling station, we are slightly above 50%, so which is a good turnout. We are hoping that the turnout will even be 100% because all the members are present, they are within us, and we are hoping that the turnout will be 100%.
And it is always our duty as a national office to always offer support where it needed, to always amplify what needs to be done in our branches. And today we call upon all the members of Southwest Branch, be it that you're in Homa Bay, be it that you're in Kisii, be it that you're in Migori, be it that you're in Kilgoris, to turn up, because this is your civic duty to be able to elect the leaders that are going to serve you for the next 2 years.
Today we have exercised our civic duty, and we are so excited that members have turned up in large numbers. We're also humbled that our Vice President is here with us. I've been very vocal and loud about fighting masqueraders and ensuring that our practice standards are maintained. And so we are so happy that everyone is here today to ensure that we choose and elect leaders who will help us in serving the members well.